Hello everyone, how are you? I know the videos are not coming regularly. Actually, what happened, I'm not getting the topics that I can make videos every day. I can get the topics, but it won't be very interesting. So I've decided to upload at least one or maybe two videos in a week. But it will be good. So today I'm going to show you a very nice trap to win the queen in Scandinavian Defense. Let's just share the screen. Hopefully you can see the chessboard. White starts with a4, black plays d5. This is called the Scandinavian. And however, the trick is from black's point of view. So let me just flip the board. Just give me a minute. Alright. Now white captures, black plays this, white plays this. Very obvious idea, just to open up the diagonals for the bishop. Captures, they place this, just to kick the knight out and to gain space. Now here we play the knight over here. Now as white is thinking, here I have a very nice idea that queen will come here, it will give a check, and it will also take the knight. And if the knight tries to run, I'll put a pressure on this knight and I'll win it. But however, this plan will fail miserably. Let me show you. White came here, he gave a check to the king, and now our knight is in danger. What do you think we should do right now? Here we develop this knight. Now it doesn't solve our problem. This queen is spinning the knight, and on the next move they are going to come up with this. Here they are coming with a threat. So in response to this threat, we are going to threaten the queen. You might think, well, this is not going to do anything. Here they can just simply take this with the pawn. Obviously here if they try to take with the queen, then there is a fork coming up. So they might take with this. Now here it looks that we are in a bad situation because our knight is in danger, and if we move the knight, this knight will be gone. Black has a very interesting move. Can you try to find the best move from black? You have to create a threat. You are in danger and you have to create a danger. It's said that offense is the best form of defense. Today's video might be a little long because here this trap is not just a trap, but here also we are going to see some ideas. Like here we are in a situation where we are completely under attack. We can't do anything. But here in response to this attack, we are going to give an attack. What we are going to do, we are going to develop the bishop. Here we are doing two things. Very first, we are developing the bishop. And here we are creating a threat. And since we are threatening the rook, they might not take the knight right now. Instead of that, they will try to stop this threat. Here, one way they can try to stop is this. But if they does this, we'll just capture this. Now you might think, oh no, we lost our knight here. See, we are knight down. Like we tried giving threats, we did everything, but we are a knight down. But to your great surprise, we are going to win the queen here right now in just 3 moves. You are playing as black. Try to pause the video. Try to pause the video and try to find how can you get their queen in 3 moves. It's a tactical move. I want everyone, whoever is watching this video, please pause the video right now. Try to pause and try to find the best move. The move is queen coming here, check. Now here, obviously if you go there, then the rook is waiting for you. It will give you a check. Here what they does, they place this bishop over here. Now comes the killer move. Knight check, and it is a discover attack. This is a wonderful idea where we just came up from the difficult position. Now we are a queen up. They can take this, however this position is good for us. Again a double check, fork, and we take this. So on this note, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I shall see you in the next video. Till then, have a nice day. And every day the videos will not come, but however, you can be assured at least one video you will be getting in a week. So make sure to subscribe the channel, and bye bye.